Mercedes-Benz has recently introduced a mid-cycle update for its GLS-Class full-size SUV, extending the improvements to the 2024 GLS 63 from AMG. The subtle modifications further refine an already polished vehicle, providing a more sophisticated driving experience. The alterations made to the GLS 63 are relatively understated, even by mid-cycle update standards. However, the changes are still significant, with new taillights, wheel patterns up to 23 inches in diameter, and an AMG logo replacing the traditional Mercedes star on the hood. These features provide a distinctive look that sets the vehicle apart from its predecessors. On the inside, the updated version includes new color options for the standard leather trim, providing more choices for customers. There are also new options for the dash accents, including some borrowed from the extra-plush Maybach GLS-Class. Additionally, the updated version of Mercedes MBUX infotainment system features graphics and functions unique to the AMG, enhancing the driving experience. Furthermore, Mercedes has increased the list of standard features, including a panoramic sliding sunroof, heated and cooled front seats, Burmester audio, a surround view camera system, and wireless smartphone integration. An AMG Performance heated steering wheel is also standard, providing more comfort and convenience for the driver. Under the hood, the GLS 63 is powered by a twin-turbo 4.0-liter V8 and mild hybrid combination. The engine delivers a maximum 603 horsepower and receives a temporary boost of 21 horsepower during high-load situations from the mild hybrid setup. The drivetrain is completed with a 9-speed automatic and all-wheel drive system. Mercedes quotes a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of 4.1 seconds and a maximum top speed of 174 miles per hour, with the option to add an exhaust system with adjustable valves. While the horsepower has not increased, AMG engineers have worked on improving the handling side of the GLS 63. The vehicle's anti-roll system and air suspension have been tweaked to deliver what Mercedes claims is improved handling performance without sacrificing comfort, providing a smoother and more comfortable driving experience. The updated GLS Class range arrives for the 2024 model year, with the debut scheduled for this week at the 2023 New York Auto Show. Pricing information will be announced closer to the market launch. Mercedes' commitment to providing luxury vehicles with impressive features and improved performance is evident in the GLS 63, providing a high-end driving experience for customers seeking a refined and sophisticated vehicle.